YouTube? Bright sunny day, blue skies, 80 degrees they're calling for later today. So gonna try and get this one in the books. Customer's very anxious to come get it, but I wanted to play with it first so I could show you the 1424 diesel. All right, empty tote 1424 diesel. Threw some short logs on the pile. My campfire bundles out front are greatly depleted, so we're gonna take some of this older poplar, actually, is what it is. We're gonna run this through the 6-way. Walk over the other side here, give you a quick rundown on that diesel motor one more time, because last night's video got awful dark and grainy. So again, this should be a 3-cylinder diesel. We had a hard time finding a Kubota for this one, so it's actually a 4-cylinder on this. So I'm really excited to see how she runs. I saw Josh's video, but I want to do one for my own purposes here. So get the camera mounted in the tripod and make some little pieces out of big pieces. that is not too shabby. So start to end without doing the edits on this, the video looked to be about 8 minutes, so maybe that was 6 by the time it was all said and done. And if that's the case, that's a quarter of a cord, well, probably a third of a cord with it heaped up like that. So if that's, even if a 7-minute third, you're 20 minutes on a full cord, I guess. So not too shabby out of a little 1424 diesel. All right, guys, if I can earn your business with that sales quote, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Would love to hear from you and would love to even more to get you that sales quote. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.